So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So there is exciting job alert from the Moody's, which is one of the top company. Is they are hiring for analytics and modeling analyst in Bangalore. So if you are passionate about financial modeling, credit risk analysis, and working with cutting edge technologies like Python, MATLAB, R, then this is going to be a golden opportunity to join a global finance powerhouse. So in this video, I'll be discussing everything you need to know from job details and responsibilities to required skill sets and how you can apply. So let's begin. So before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss any updates from our end. So okay, now let's discuss about the job. So the job is of analytics and modeling analyst, and the company, as I mentioned, is Moody. So the location of this particular job is going to be of Bangalore, India, which is in Bagmane Tech Park. So it's a full-time opportunity, and the qualification required for this particular job is either you should be a graduate or postgraduate in applied mathematics. Engineering also allowed, finance also allowed. So if you are a bachelor in any degree and have the passion for being in the analyst role, so this job opportunities, which is you should never miss. So this was job was posted on 26th of Feb, and it's still going on, and I think it will continue till March. So apply as soon as possible, and salary you are gonna get is very competitive in the market. So do apply to it. And experience level, they're expecting you to have 0 to 3 years of experience. So even if you're a fresher or up to 3 years of experience, you are allowed to apply for this particular role. So let's understand a little bit about the Moody's. The Moody is the global leader in financial intelligence, and this is incredible opportunity to grow with such a company, in especially in the field of financial modeling and risk analytics. So your responsibilities is going to be something like kind of verifying, enhancing more financial models used for Moody's something, and you'll be building complex cash flow models using Moody's proprietary softwares, implementing model testing procedures and analytical projects to ensure and access credit risks. So you'll also be involved in developing financial model prototypes and assisting in new control processes. Also, you'll collaborate with the rating analysts, model development teams, and research groups. Plus, you'll also be supporting the research and validation projects in credit risk modeling. So, if you have a strong analytical skill and love working with financial models, this role is perfect for you. The required skill sets and competencies they have mentioned over here, that you can see here as well. So, they're expecting you to have a proficiency in any two of the programming language, for example, C++, VBA, C Sharp, MATLAB, or Python. So even if you know two out of these programming languages, so you are good to go. Plus, you should have the experience in the structured finance and cash flow modeling, which is a preferred skill sets for this role. Plus, you must have the familiarity with Moody's structured finance workstations and very good, strong problem solving skill and willingness to learn in the new technologies. So they're also expecting you to have the ability to collaborate with teams across different financial domains. So if you are passionate about financial analytics and programming, this role offers you a great career growth and learning opportunities. And the application link, of course, I would be sharing the description. Do check it out and apply as soon as possible, because the sooner the better. Now, since this is a highly competitive role, so as I told, apply as soon as possible. Plus, also try to add some key points from the JD to to be preferred for the getting shortlisted, because you will be it's too tough to get shortlisted for these type of roles. So try adding some key points from the JD to your resume, as it will make sure you get shortlisted for this particular step, which is screening now. So the benefits of working in Moody is going to be, kind of, you'll get a very good competitive salary. Plus you'll get a fast career growth, and you'll get the exposure to work in a global team of industry. Plus you'll get access to world-class financial modeling and risk analysis tools, so which is going to give you a great exposure to your career. Plus you'll get a great scope in your career, like you can move to any particular domain in the future. So this is all about the role at Moody. And Moody is actually one of the best place for financial professionals to build a rewarding career in analytics and modeling. So, but they have also mentioned some important notice about the recruiting scam warning. So you should be aware about such a kind of stuff going on in market, because Moody's is claiming that never ask any money or payment for any stage in hiring process. So if someone is claiming to be a hiring person, uh, don't fall in such trap. And this is all I wanted to share. You can report it to the particular email that I have shared. So that's it about the fantastic role at Moody. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to work at Moody's. And if you are a financial professional and analytical enthusiast looking for a high growth career, apply now at the link have shared in description. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who might be interested in the role. Let's help more people build and land in amazing career. So that's it. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates, career tips, and also we are going to share you a very fantastic channel that we are building for especially for courses and all. So do subscribe to that as well. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one, and all the best for with your applications. Bye.